Andras ika right babuke stadium and then imbabane Highlanders naye Royal Leopard batabe basitalele eJeni. Sicela nekukhulumisa indzaba yamathikithi ukuthi amathikithi are already available on all MTN outlets, and then also akhona kubo Engine nabo Total futane kundu stadium nakhona lambabane ungawathola nakhona ku Total lambabane na MTN outlets onke. They are also available online via a WhatsApp number. Siyacela ukuthi nakhona niwathenge before nifike e-stadium ngayelo lo 2. Emagede atabe avuliwe kavula ke 4 hours before sitabe sikhona e-stadium. Sicela nekusho ukuthi niqhubeke into iphathe kahle. We've started i-MTN Premier League konke kusehambe kahle. Kude la kube khona nekuhebhana khona. Sicela ukuthi niqhubeke nento kanjalo naloko kuyasithokozisa sponsor. Sicela nalama teams khumbude ama teams anama Cola Tunes ukuthi nawo aqhubeke futhi ayawasebenzisa lama Cola Tunes lawo ngoba as we mentioned ukuthi they do generate revenue yawo ema teams na sponsor nawo nasiqhubeka senzisa ama products aso. Sithemba ukuthi naso siyajabula, so siyacela ukuthi niqhubeke nisibambise ekusebenziseni ama products aye MTN naye Momo futhi niqhubeke nemsebenzise. Sitawubonana ngemagamini kusukela namhla edlala ema game sidaze sinqamulele ngo Sunday. Siyabonga kakhulu. Okay. Okay, manning it exact data of it now, but the uptake that we saw last season was Mbabane Highlanders was leading, and then Alliance Alliance sings in. What MTN has done is this is our tryout, so we have only about 4 teams la lendiwe. With the Nyalo this season, we are adding more teams onto it as well. So by the end, hopefully by the end of the season, we'll have all the 16 teams and Cola Tunes. But also the uptake ingaganani from Lama teams. So the more uptake, the more we are adding more of the teams onto the Cola Tunes platform.